In the shadow of California's aerospace giants, where rockets pierce the sky and dreams take flight, something extraordinary has emerged from the minds of visionaries who dared to ask, what if we could build the impossible? This is not just another hypercar. This is the Czinger 21C VMAX, a machine that exists at the intersection of Earth and space, tradition and revolution, imagination and reality. The VMAX represents the ultimate evolution of Czynger's already groundbreaking 21C, but where its predecessor merely challenged convention, the VMAX obliterates it entirely. Every surface, every curve, every microscopic detail has been sculpted not by human hands alone, but by the same computational forces that guide spacecraft through the cosmos. This is aerospace technology clothed in carbon fiber, a terrestrial rocket designed to conquer asphalt rather than atmosphere. Look at it and you witness something that shouldn't exist in our current timeline. The elongated tail section stretches like a predator ready to strike, its form dictated not by aesthetic whim, but by the unforgiving mathematics of aerodynamics. The futuristic carbon fiber body appears almost liquid, as if it were poured rather than assembled. But perhaps most remarkably, critical components have been born not from traditional manufacturing, but from the precise dance of 3D printing technology, creating structures impossible to forge through conventional means. Beneath this otherworldly exterior beats the heart of pure performance fury. A twin-turbo V8 works in perfect harmony with hybrid electric motors, combining to unleash over 1,350 horsepower of raw, calculated violence. The numbers seem pulled from science fiction. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.9 seconds, a figure that places it among the fastest accelerating machines ever conceived by human ingenuity. If you like Czinger 21C VMAX, then like and subscribe. But the VMAX is more than mere statistics. Every vent channels air with surgical precision. Every curve has been tested in digital wind tunnels thousands of times before being committed to reality. This is a machine engineered to slice through air resistance as if it were nothing more than morning mist, designed for speeds that blur the line between automotive achievement and aerospace engineering. Born in California, but carrying ambitions that span continents, the Czinger 21C VMAX stands ready to challenge the established order. While European legends like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Rimac have long dominated conversations about ultimate speed, the VMAX arrives with distinctly American DNA. Innovation over tradition, Silicon Valley thinking applied to centuries-old automotive passion. Its exclusivity is not just about limited numbers, but about witnessing the birth of a new species. Each VMAX represents a glimpse into a future where cars are not just assembled, but grown, where performance is not just powerful, but precise, where speed becomes an art form practiced by machines that think as much as they accelerate. The Czinger 21C VMAX is not simply the fastest car of today. It is tomorrow's technology made manifest, a technological masterpiece that rewrites the rules of what four wheels and human ambition can achieve together. In its wake, the future of speed has a name, and that name is written in carbon fiber, hybrid electricity, and the endless pursuit of what lies just beyond possible.